What number is it today, Dario?
12.
Number 12.
Where's 12?
Where's 12? 12 has two numbers. 1, 2. Can you find it? That's 1, 1. That's 11. We opened that one yesterday.
That's a dinosaur.
No, that had a Spinosaurus in, didn't it? Number 12, number 12. Look at the T-Rex's feet. That's the one? Yeah, that's number 12.
What is it? A pteranodon?
Let me see. Whoa.
Where's the egg one?
There's a pteranodon.
Focus. And the other egg one.
Wow.
And the other egg one.
No.
And the other egg one.
Right, so the egg one that you keep wanting is number 20. So we do that. We've got 8 more days for that one. Okay, so bye-bye for now. Oh, here we are again. Back again for number 13.
13 has a 1 and a 3. 13. Ooh. 1 and a 3. 13. Let me see. Where's the bit to help you open it? That's number 10. That's an old one. And number 13 is a Stegosaurus from Dario.
A Stegosaurus. Okay, that's cool. Tomorrow I'll be back for 14. Bye. Hi, Dario.
Number 14.
14. And you are looking like Captain America today. Wow. So we're at number 14 has a 1 and a 4.
Look on the T-Rex's legs. Next one up, the 1 and a 4. There it is. So where is the bit that you can start opening it from, Dario? Can you see it? Let me see it. There you go, don't start yet. Oh, what is in there? Another pteranodon. Is it another flying dinosaur?
Let's have a look. You know what that one is, don't you?
No.
The big one. Let me have a look. That, I believe, is a Quetzalcoatlus. The big one.
Where's the egg? Where's the egg one?
Yeah, so we're going to do that one on another one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. There you go. There's your Quetzalcoatlus. Say bye-bye. And we're back. What number is it today?
No.
You've forgotten. It's number 15.
Number 15.
And the two numbers together that make number 15 are 1 and... Good boy.
Okay, so number 1 and 5 equals 15. So no. Oh, that's an older one. That's number 12. Oh, I can see 15. No. Can you see the Stegosaurus? The Stegosaurus' head is gone, but the 15 is just at the back of the neck. There! 15. Do you want Daddy to help you open it? It's going to be a dinosaur. We know that much. I think by the shape of it. Let me get it open for you. Okay, you do the rest. What you got there, man?
Parasaurolophus?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. A nice Parasaurolophus. Oh, the colours are nice. A red horn type beak feature that they use to make their noises. A green back with a yellow body. And a black mouth or brown mouth. Cool. Are you happy with that? You've been playing with other Parasaurolophuses as well, haven't you? Okay, so we'll come back tomorrow for... What number is it tomorrow? Do you know? 16.
16.
What are we doing?
16.
Number 16. Here we go again. Number 16. That means only 9 days left till Christmas.
16 is the number 1 and the number 6 put together, okay? So let's find it. You can see it. It's just above T-Rex's head. That one. Oh, let me start it for you. And you get the rest of it. What we got? We've got a Velociraptor.
Look. Ah, thanks. That is pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely a Velociraptor. We've got the little claws there. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Here you go. We're nearly at the eggs. We're nearly there, little man. I know you're waiting to open what look like eggs. Tomorrow we'll open number 17. Let's have a quick look where it is. There it is, just below the T-Rex's neck. So we're back for tomorrow, number 17, yeah? You've closed it, good boy. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Number number today? What number are we doing today?
Hello.
Number 17.
Number 7. Remember we found it yesterday. It's under the T-Rex's neck. 1 and a 7. It's 17. So, that's it. Another Triceratops. Yeah.
2 Triceratopses. Let me see. Can I see it?
Go from here.
Oh.
Go from here.
Another Triceratops it is then. Cool. See you tomorrow for another one.
We're back. What number are we today?
18.
18. Here we go then. Let's see what's in 18. Where is 18?
Hello.
Can we see it? I think it's on the nearly. The T-Rex's back leg, 1-8. Near the T-Rex's tail. Can you see it? 1-8. Yes. Okay. I'll open this one here. I'll open it a little bit for you. And you open the rest. What have we got? A Brachiosaurus. Oh, can I have a look? Nice. A Brachiosaurus. That is definitely a Brachiosaurus. Nice one. So what we got tomorrow? Tomorrow is 19, which you might... No, that's 20. You might be excited about, because I think 19 might be an egg as well. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're back. What number are we doing today, Dario?
Number 19.
Yes. So number 19 is a 1 and a 9 together. Can you see a 1 and a 9 together? That's 2-0. Not yet. 1 and a 9 together. It's on the Spinosaurus, under the Spinosaurus's arm. That's the one, number 19. It's a green egg. Wait. Do this one first. You've been waiting so long for an egg, and you've got one. You are right. Today is a 2-dayer, because yesterday we missed number 19. Let's do it. And another egg. Another orange egg. So we've got 2 eggs to reveal. Awesome. Are you ready?
Okay, so first we have the green egg. I've prepared it to open it for you. Can you open that? What have we got?
A dinosaur.
Let's see. That looks like a... Whoa! What is it? Is it a mini Triceratops?
Yeah.
Styracosaurus?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Pentaceratops? What's on the back? It's got diamonds or gems or jewels on the back. Awesome.
Egg.
Oh, we've gone back in the egg. Okay, let's open the second egg, number 20. Here we go for the second egg from number 20. Here you go, Dario. Oh, what's fallen out?
A lion.
A what? Let me see.
It's not a lion.
It's not a lion, is it? What is that? Let me get focus. Oh, it looks like some kind of buffalo. Whoa, look. Them big, let me focus. Them big rounded horns look like a buffalo. Cool.
Go with that egg.
Okay. Are you happy with your 2 eggs, Dario?
Yeah.
Cool. So tomorrow we'll be back for number 21. Can you believe it? Number 21. There's only 4 days left. I don't know what's in 21. Should we have a quick... Oh, look. It's right on the T-Rex's body. So we'll find out tomorrow, okay? That's 21. So we don't know. We'll find out tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go.
Keep doing my neck.
What are you doing next? Next on your calendar is number 21.
Maybe that's that one. On the body. Here we go. There you go. Daddy's looking at it. There you go. What have we got today? We've already had a Plesiosaurus, let me see. A mouse.
Whoa. There we go. Dario says it's a Mosasaurus. Is that a Mosasaurus? What do you guys think? It looks like it could be one. Definitely see one. Hi everybody. We're opening number 22. All the 2s, 22. We're nearly there.
No, that's 23. No, 22 is here. All the 2s, 22. Let's find a bit to help you open it. There you go, rip it. What have we got? Another Ankylosaurus. That's it. Oh, that one's tomorrow. Another quick look at this.
Oh, another Ankylosaurus. Okay, cool. If you remember in part 1, I think one of the very first dinosaurs, maybe number 2, was a big Ankylosaurus. This is the Ankylosaurus' son. Cool?
Where's Mummy Ankylosaurus?
We need to find Mummy Ankylosaurus. Alright, back tomorrow for number 23. Only 2 left to go, Dario. Oh my god. So bye-bye. We're doing 23. Well done, little man. You did have a little sneak preview at 23 the other day, didn't you? Oh, he's straight in. Look at that. What is it, Dario?
A T-Rex.
You got a T-Rex for number 23? Yeah. Can I see it? Whoa, you finally got your T-Rex. Awesome. That means there's only 2 days to Christmas, so we've only got 1 left, which is number 24. It's the last one, which means we'll get our last dinosaur, and then we get to play the game. Awesome. Wait, no, tomorrow, Dario. It's last day tomorrow. Can you believe it? And then it's Christmas. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's the last one, Dario. What number is the last one?
No.
24.
24.
Because it's Christmas Eve. Can you believe it?
What's it called?
24 is under the T-Rex's mouth. Can you see it? That's the one. Look, it's the last one. What will it be? It's a what? A Carnotaurus. Can I see it? Whoa, that is cool. A Carnotaurus for the last one. Okay, Dario, now it's the last one. You know what we can do?
No.
We can rip this up and find out what's underneath. Because I can see through there, there's something in there. So, let's open the box.
I've got some trusty scissors. What's in there? Oh, we've got something else. Let's move this box a minute. Let's move this plastic out of the way. More plastic out of the way. Look at this. Oh, and that. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Let me turn it around so I can see it.
Oh, that is awesome, Dario. Where do you think the Carnotaurus should go on your map?
On Carnotaurus.
Maybe in the volcano world?
Yeah.
Or in the jungle world? Or in the ice world?
Yeah.
Or in the mountain world? Wow, that's awesome.
I need to do your one.
So that, Dario, that's what?
Do you on this one?
Yes, we'll do it in a minute, okay? But for now, Dario, that is the end of your dinosaur advent calendar, as it's now Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. So what should we say to everybody? Should we say to everybody, have a Merry Christmas? You want to say it?
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. Can you say that one? And or what about please like, share and subscribe?
No.
No? We want them to subscribe.
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody.
We love you.